This is the Fanttik Outdoors Zeta L8 Max camping chair. And for something lightweight and portable, it's extremely comfortable because it has a function that not many other portable camping chairs have. It reclines and rocks. It's got a headrest on the back, armrests on the side, and you can sit here all day and enjoy yourself in the great outdoors. So let's take a look at how quickly this thing sets up. All right, so this is the carry bag. It comes in, you got the Fanttik logo across the front, and you've got a big strap that's adjustable on the side, little handle on the top. All you do is unzip it. You've got these nice pulls on the zipper. Unzip it and take it out. Then you're ready to assemble. I've kind of rolled mine up into the seat cushion itself. So if we roll this out, you can see that the chair frame is down here. So I'm gonna set the cushion aside, undo the Velcro, and simply just start assembling the poles. Everything is tied together with these elastic strings. So you can kind of see where it goes. It just connects. We do the same thing over here. These longer ones are your back. Then you got shorter ones. These are your front. And then the legs with these rubber feet are obviously gonna go to the ground. Some of them even put themselves in. And you can kind of see the magic of this rocking frame right here, just right here like this. So this is the frame to the chair, and I'm gonna keep it sideways while I put it together so you can see how I do it. All we're gonna do is grab the chair seat, and you'll feel a bar. You also will see the headrest, so you'll know this is the top. And all you do, come in here and look at this nice and close, is take this slit here, put it over the pole, all the way into the other pole you're in. Then we're gonna take this side and do the exact same thing. Use this black loop, pull on it. There we go. Make sure you don't stop here. That would be a mistake. Pull it all the way down in. There's a piece in here that it locks into. Then you can flip it forward and do the same thing on the front. Now this requires a little bit more leverage, so make sure you grab this black loop and just kind of pull to lock it in. You see it locks in down there. We're gonna do that on the other side. Black loop, pull. This is the hardest one, but you can see not that hard. Now we're set up, we're locked in. You can see the nice Fanttik patch right here. You've got the headrest pillow. There's Velcro on here to keep it in place. If you don't want it, you can flip it around, but you can adjust it within the confines of that Velcro area. And then we're ready to sit down. This thing holds up to 250 pounds, and this is what I love about it. I can recline and in a portable chair, get like an armrest on each side. That's not something that you get in a lot of portable camping chairs, is a place to put your arms. I can just relax here, put my head back. Again, adjust this headrest to my liking. I like it a little higher so I don't hit my head on the bar. But I'm relaxing, tilting back, and if I'm sitting around the fire, check this out from the side. If I'm sitting around the fire and just want to have some motion to what I'm doing, I can rock back and forth. I'm rocking. See everything just kind of pivoting right here on this hinge? I can rock back and forth and just keep myself occupied. A little bit of rocking motion just kind of keeps me relaxed and at ease. And this chair, for a portable, packable camping chair, extremely sturdy, extremely easy to set up, and really comfortable once you get in it. So in addition to the standard features we've already covered, I want to talk about the extras on the chair. This pocket here on the side that's looks like it's made for your phone. It's got mesh on the front, just kind of hangs off the edges. Then if you go around back, you can really see that there's a lot of breathability in the chair. We've got mesh on the back and mesh down on the sides here. And you get a better look at the frame down below. You've got double reinforcement in the middle, and even though these are small, lightweight tubes, it holds up to 250 pounds. And as somebody who weighs 195 pounds, I didn't feel at all worried that it wouldn't hold my weight. So even though it's lightweight and packable, it's got a lot of sturdy strength built in. And here's a closer look at the soft rubber feet you're gonna get on the bottom of each one of these 4 legs. This just helps you to not sink into soggy wet ground or not slip around on concrete or blacktop. I'm gonna hold this up with my pinky. I'm gonna balance it here. I can't do that, what am I kidding? But it's really lightweight, portable, you can throw it around, do whatever you need to. And just as easily as it came out, it goes back into the bag. So what we're gonna do when we take it apart, same exact process in reverse. Grab these black loops, pull up, comes out a lot easier than it goes in. Pull up on our top, pull up on our other top. And then I like to set the seat down so I have a place to put the frame when I'm done. So I simply take the frame apart piece by piece. From the top to the bottom seems the most logical, and just kind of lay everything toward the middle. And this is where it gets most awkward, but if you go a little slower and stay organized, it's really not that bad. So we've got everything gathered here in the middle. We just kind of pull it around, loop it up, and pull it tight, and we've got everything in a nice little bunch. This is about as organized as it's gonna look, so keep it like that. Pull your seat over here and just place it right in the middle. Then you can fold your sides in, pop it over, roll it up, and there it is. It's ready to go in your bag. Let me grab the bag. Fits nice and easy. And I like the color combo. I like the black and the khaki with the Fanttik yellow. I would say for a chair you can pick up on Amazon, lightweight, packable, goes in a bag, set up in less than a minute. This is a great buy. I've been really excited to take this on a trip, and it's gonna replace some of the portable packing chairs that I have already because they're not as comfortable, they don't rock, and they don't have armrests. That's why I really like the Fanttik Outdoors Zeta L8 Max camping chair. So go ahead, check it out for yourself. I really think you're gonna like it.